Hello everyone, today I am going to present the final version of Capstone project of 301 L10 Sports Center Live. The app is about showing live scores and trending articles about the sports. So let's start by opening the app. The app is hosted on Netlify. So let's open the app. Uh, so this is the version for casual user, where the casual user can see the navigation bar, then sign up, sign in buttons, then the live scores are being displayed. We can see the live, and if you want to refresh the score, we can click on this refresh icon. After every 1 or 1.5 minutes, the API refreshes the scores. You will see it later, and then he can the casual user can view articles based on sports wise filtering. Means if he clicks on field hockey, then he can see all the field hockey articles only. If he clicks on basketball, then only basketball. American football, then American football. And also there is a read more feature. If we click on read more, then a read more module opens. So then he can visit to slash articles to again view all the articles. And if then sports wise filtering, then he can visit matches to see the live scores and matches that he want to see, again live matches, and all the matches are listed here. And then sport wise filtering of matches like rugby match, field hockey match, American football, table tennis, basketball. And if the match is live, we can see the live. Again here is also read more functionality, which shows the opens the whole article for the sports. We should close. It is implemented for all. You can see the scores. You can see the scores of the team, location, starts, end, and the story of that whole event. Then he can visit on teams, where he can select his favorite sport, then the favorite team about that sport, and then read that article. You can see it gets open. Suppose he selects some other sport, then again he can select some other teams, and articles related to only that team will get open. Like I have selected Inferno Igniters, then only articles related to Igniters only gets open. We can see here teams Inferno Igniters, only that article is open. Let's close. So let's just start by signing up as a new user. Let's say I sign up. I sign up as a new user. So I have successfully signed up. So initially, as I am a new user, I have no choice. So all the articles are getting displayed, almost 100 plus articles. But still, sport wise filtering is there. Like sport wise, we can select basketball articles, cricket articles. But in your choice, not yet. Again, a favorite section is as implemented for both casual user as well as a signed in user, live matches. Then now the main functionality is this preferences. We can click on preferences, and we can select our favorite sports and favorite teams. We can select our favorite sports and teams. Let's say we select basketball and teams this. Then we will save preferences, and as of now I have changed my preferences. If I refresh, then I will see articles only related to basketball, because my preferences are basketball and the two other teams. So let's go again. If I change the preferences, let's say I don't select basketball and this is American football, and save preferences. And again if I refresh, you can see all the American football articles are getting displayed. And this happens without refreshing the whole page. which is a nice UI experience and a core React feature. Most of the things are similar to casual user, like selecting favorites, like selecting articles of my favorite team. Then again, I can go to home in article section, and now in article section we can view the articles of our choice. Like my choice is American football, so all the American football articles are getting displayed. And again, sport wise different articles also I can see. Then again, I can go to matches, where I can see live matches. I can see live matches as well as the matches of the sport I picked. Like I have picked American football, so all the matches of American football are getting displayed. And again, below that, sport wise filtering of all the matches can be displayed. And then I can go to teams, and again here same thing, selecting the favorite team. So one additional feature I have implemented is the my profile. Like it goes to slash user, and we can see the user details and the preferences I have selected, like currently American football and these teams. And this is my name and email. So the main functionality is change password. So let's say I want to change password. So my current password was 129, and I want to add a new password 123 123 123. And if I click on save, then the API request sent, password changed successfully. So if I log out and again try to sign in with the same password, like the password, that earlier password, then it will say sign in failed because I have entered wrong password. And when if I click on enter the correct password, then I will get sign in successfully. And you can see my preferences are being preserved, as you can see here. So this was all about the app. Talking about the most difficult feature that I found while building is, at least it was not difficult, but I reversed the process of making that feature. Like I was making these preferences, and then I wanted to update the articles based on the preferences. First I built the front end of that feature, and then I was trying to build a logic which took more time than I expected. But at the end, I managed to make it. And other than that, talking about the production readiness of the app, I have implemented error boundary, then protected route. Like if we log out and again try to go on user, then it will redirect me to the sign in, because as I am not signed in, I cannot go to slash user. And then again, I have implemented error boundary, suspense loading, and also the most important is the PWA, that is progressive web application. We can see here the small icon of install sports live application. So let's install it on our app. So let's install it on our laptop. So it is getting installed, and we can see it has been installed. We can see on our home screen here. We can see this is the sports lab application here getting displayed, because it is installed on my device. So let's get back to our app. So this was all about the app, and the code is all committed to GitHub. You can see all the commits. You can see the commit history. So yes, this was all the code. So yeah, this was all about my app. I hope you like it. Thank you.